Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the setup of the Genki M380 massage chair. This feature-rich chair is easy to assemble. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in one large box. There are no tools required for this assembly, but for the purpose of opening the packaging, we are using a box cutter. On one side of the box, lift the top cover and place aside, revealing the protective packaging underneath. Carefully remove and discard any wood or foam covering the top of the massage chair. To easily remove the back and front foam pieces, we recommend cutting along the panels of the bottom cardboard tray. Once you have removed the two foam pieces, you will see that the chair is in a reclined position. Next, gently remove the plastic wrap covering the chair and set aside. On the seat of the chair is a plastic bag which contains the extra accessories needed for this chair's assembly. Inside of the bag, you will find the chair's remote control, a remote control pouch, power cable, mini screwdriver, spare fuses, the assembly guide, a user manual, and the warranty card. Set aside for now and do not forget to register your warranty. To move the chair off the bottom tray, you will need to recline the seat into a forward upright position. To do this, we must first plug the remote into the chair's 5-prong plug, which is located on the bottom left corner of the seat cushion between the seat and the right arm panel. Make sure you align up the 5 pins on the connector properly. If done so correctly, this should slide into place. Then, using the connector cap, fasten the two ends of the remote cable together, giving you a strong connection. Once the remote is securely plugged in, make sure you close back up the Velcro of the cushion and the footrest. Next, remove the vacuum-sealed plastic protecting the remote to improve visibility on the screen. Use the power cord from the accessory bag and plug the chair in. There is a power cord port on the back of the chair next to the orange main power switch. Flip the main power switch on. Your remote should now be on and have the Kyota logo indicated on the display screen. If you do not see a white screen, hit the red power button once to turn on the remote. Hit it again to go to the home menu. This will also initialize the chair to move into an upright position. Once the chair is fully upright, turn off the chair and unplug the power cable. Using your foot as a support, lean the chair backwards toward you to pick it up on the wheels built into the base. We advise you don't lean on the chair too far back. If you do encounter trouble or find this method too difficult, you can always get a friend and have them help you team lift the chair out of the tray. We're almost ready to enjoy the Genki M380. In the accessory bag, grab the remote control pouch and attach it to the right side of the arm panel using the Velcro tab to hang it off the outer edge of the armrest. Then power the chair back on and, using the buttons on the remote, run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. When everything is working, you are ready to enjoy your Genki M380 massage chair.